Hi guys, so I just came on here to talk about this makeup because I know you're gonna ask. Just got done doing the mock Halloween theme fashion show. It was so fun, but I am definitely about to be late for class if I don't hurry up, so I just wanted to show you guys. And there will be a picture on Instagram with this look and the hashtag of the group that I did it for, and you can see more pictures on there, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, check that out and follow my Instagram if you don't already. Peace. Alright guys, I'm gonna take this off my face. It's been on there all day and my face itches and I want to scratch it and I can't. So that has to go. I can't even see. Oh, you can see. Yeah, I just got done washing my face. And for those of you that want to know what I washed all that crap off my face with, I use this bad boy right here. It's the Clean and Clear Morning Burst. And then I just use my rag to, wipe off the excess water. And yeah, my face got pretty clean, which I'm excited about, but I will talk to you guys in the next clip. This is art. Like what? It's literally the rainbow. There's so much prettiness in here. Look at this. This is so bomb. I can't even see myself because I'm too short. Oh, okay, I'll take a picture. I want this in my house so bad. I'm moving to the Met, you guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look, it's an angel. She's so golden. She's just sitting up there like, oh my god. I'm moving to the Met. Y'all can come visit me, stop by. Look at her. She's just chilling. She like Rapunzel, or he like Rapunzel. They chilling and they go and they got this. I'm just I can't with this museum. It's so pretty. I don't even know what that is. Look, this is so bomb. Like, what? I'm moving here, y'all. Oh, look at this. This. What is this? This is not just one spear. Like, I don't even know what this is. And they got the birds. They got all the people. This is me, guys. This is me. This is what I'm supposed to be. You know. Yes. I'm just waiting for Bella to come out of the coat thing, and we about to be out of here because I'm so glad we're done with like our fucking witch hunt of paintings and shit that we had to do for class. So now that we're done, I'm just excited. Like, I'm ready to go, and I'm ready to eat. My phone is dead. I'm ready to eat, and I'm tired. My feet hurt. Still gotta catch a train. So I guess I'll talk to you guys. I don't know, I'll talk to you guys whenever I pick up the camera again. Okay, hi guys. So right now, I just freaking got back from the Met and like got food and just started to relax a little bit, and I was supposed to be going to like a football game, but the way that I'm set up right now, I'm just way too tired, and I can't, like, I have so much to do, so much on my mind. I'm probably just gonna do homework, so I'm not gonna show you guys that. I wanted to do it because I wanted to show you guys some interesting stuff on my vlog and like people that I hang out with and shit, but you'll see them in another vlog. And right now I need to like put this camera down because my arm is so tired. Ugh, I can't. And I'm just tired. Guys, pray for me. This Halloween, pray for me. So I'm not going to do anything. And I'm probably just going to stay. Do homework. Watch Netflix. Typical weekend. But happy Halloween for you guys that are doing something. I always do this with my fingers. Like, what is this? I just don't. I'm addicted to doing it. Sorry. I'm just so tired. But I guess I'll talk to you guys whenever something interesting may or may not happen. Hi guys. So sorry I didn't end the vlog last night. I was just so tired, and I was just tired. And excuse the way my face looks. I just like started to get ready. Like, just washed it and put like moisturizer on, which is highlighting my eyes like a little red. But yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog, and like it, share it, comment on it, or whatever. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video.